Kálẹ̀ gbogbo ní ṣiṣẹ́ wà lókè láti rí Oduduwa ti rí jù. Arákùnrin tẹ̀ ń wò yìí, ó bínú gan sí APC government. Ó tiẹ̀ bínú rẹpẹtẹ ni. Ó máa sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan torí ìyà tó ń jẹ àwọn èèyàn wa, gbogbo gbèsè. Màá fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ náà.
See, mo talk about that one. Ìwọ tó bá jẹ́ Democrat, tó pé ọlá òṣèlú olórí bútẹ́ ń ṣe, you no fit say the truth. Ọlọ́bàyé yín jẹ́ ni. APC government for this country na shit. Why you go buy cement cost? Why you go buy rice 50,000? Ṣé ẹ mọ ìyàwó ilé tán bá sùn nítorí oúnjẹ? Kán bá fi lé lóúnjẹ jẹ, kọ́ mọ́ bá fi lé lóúnjẹ jẹ. Ìwọ tó bá fi lè sọ̀rọ̀ against fídíò yìí, ọlọ́bàyé rẹ̀ jẹ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ tó bá ní ní ikú oró lẹ́kùú. We are suffer. Ọlápàá ní la fi lè sọ̀rọ̀, àwa ń jẹun ebi ò pa wá la fi lè sọ̀rọ̀. People are suffer, a lot of people are suffer. Ayé yóò ní dáa, ebi pa àwọn èèyàn. Ibẹ̀ làwọn senator they are doing meeting. Senator wan buy car for 160 million.
For what?
160 million because the road no good. They wan buy car. Who dey do road? No be senator dey do road.
They give them road.
We are going to enter streets.
You know the
We are going to block everywhere. Nigeria dey suffer. Na APC we do. We fought for APC. We campaign for APC. But we are suffer. Anything we wan talk am. Na Almighty God, Almighty Allah will punish all of you.
Inshallah.
We are suffering. People are suffering.
Regardless of the party, we are
People cannot do anything for this country. Now suffering they won't kill us. Wetin happen? Each of you, because of politics, I know that you comment or you talk about this video. Anybody of you will talk bad about this video. Ikú ọ̀run lọmọ yóò kú.
Inshallah.
Gbogbo àmọ́ yóò ṣòfò ni.
Inshallah.
Kí ló dé? Our parents wan suffer. All our parents are suffering. Food and cost, everything are cost for this country.
I've already had the 2-5. You don't sell
My
it.
God will punish you guys. Wetin dey happen? We are going to enter street. If you wan kill anybody. Anything you wan do for country, kill us. Some are killing us before. Our president
You are
are
already
killing us
ready to
before.
die.
The president are killing us before. So it's better for us to carry gun. Give them. Ọlọ́pàá, any policeman give gun. Make they clean youth. Na full. How much the salary? Policeman, how much you are collecting? Your parents and your children are suffering.
Kí lẹ ṣe rí sí? Ǹjẹ́ ìjọba ǹjẹ́ wọ́n ṣe tó yẹ kán ṣe lóòótọ́? Kí ni ìgbésẹ̀ tó ń gbé? Ṣé ó rọrùn fáwọn èèyàn wa? Ara àwọn ìbéèrè tí ó yẹ kí á béèrè ní ọ̀nìyàn o, ẹ bá wa dá sí o. Kí ni lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ti ilé ìrọ̀ epo, ǹjẹ́ wọ́n ń ta gbogbo ipá wọn báyìí? Àwọn ìbéèrè tá à ń béèrè nìyẹn o, mi ò mọ bẹ́ ṣe rí sí o. Ṣiṣẹ́ wà lókè lórí Oduduwa ti rédíò, ẹ bá wa dá sí, ẹ ṣeun.